Hey, welcome back to LR Options, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Alright, so today we're going to go over a few stocks that I feel, in my opinion, are the best for stay-at-home moms or trading beginners, single mothers at home, anybody who's basically new to trading and wants to try their hand at trading for the first time. We're going to go over a few stocks that I feel that are beneficial. They're not very volatile. They're easy to follow. They're steady whether they're bullish or bearish. They're whatever trend they're going in. You should be able to keep up with them. All right. So another thing is these are stocks that are have an ATR higher than 1.5 in a higher beta. In other words, these are stocks that move pretty well away from the market for a good profit. Um, let's see. Let's begin with Neo. Let's look at Neo. All right, so we're looking at I like to look at the monthly time frame, and it shows that it's been bearish for some time. And then I like to look at the weekly, and I like to look at the daily time frame. And there was a pullback for a few days. Okay, and it's beginning to you see the red candles, it's beginning to be bearish again. Let's look at the 1 hour time frame. Okay, it's beginning to dip under the 200 moving average. And you've got the 15-minute time frame. Again, it's beginning to dip down. So this I feel will be a good stock for beginners. It's easy to follow. It's clear that it's in a downtrend. All right, let's go back to the daily time frame. All right, it's clear that it's in a downtrend. It just finished doing a pullback. It's selling again. So if you put in for a put trade, you should be able to stay in there for a few days. And again, the stock is under the 200 moving average. So I feel this is a pretty much of a safe bet that it's going to remain in a downtrend, and it's very, very easy to follow if you're new to trading. Let's see, then we've got, all right, let's look at another stock. All right, let's look at MRO. Okay, it's in an uptrend, and that's the daily time frame. Let's look at the weekly. Well, let's look at the monthly. Okay, it's been in an uptrend for a few months. Okay, let's look at the weekly. Uptrend, it's above the 200 and above the 20 daily moving average. And let's look at the hourly time frame. Okay, it's in an uptrend. It's above the 200 moving average. And let's look at the 15-minute time frame. All right, and it seems like it's going to continue in an upward trend, so that would be a good call trade to get into. Okay, let's go back to the daily time frame. And the reason I'm switching from time frame to time frame is because it gives me a clearer idea as to whether the stock is actually moving in an uptrend, a downtrend, or if it's in a pullback. Okay, so it gives you a clearer picture as to whether what side you're going to be entering, whether it's a put trade or a call trade. Okay, let's look at another stock. Let's look at Uber. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's look at Uber's monthly. Okay, so it's been going in a downtrend for quite a while. Okay, since last year, April. Okay, let's look at its weekly time frame. Okay, it's under the 20 moving average, daily moving average, okay, indicator. And again, we're going down. Okay, let's look at the hourly time frame. No, let's look at the daily. I think we skipped the daily. Yep. Again, under the 200 moving indicator, under the 20 moving daily moving indicator. So more proof that it's in a downtrend. But right now, as you can see, it's up, it's going up. You see more green candles than you do selling right now. So it's in a pullback. We don't know if the pullback is ending. Maybe we have to wait for another confirming red candle, or a candle that goes underneath, that opens and closes underneath the 20 moving average, and then we'll have confirmation that it's going to continue selling. And this would be a good trade for a put trade. Okay, so that would be, so again, that's a downtrend. Let's look at the hourly time frame. Okay, so when we look at the hourly time frame, okay, it looks like it's might still be going up, or it's just beginning to turn bearish on us. So we don't really know until it opens and closes underneath this 200 and the 20 moving average there. Okay, and then we can enter for a put trade. Okay, and again, the 15-minute time frame. Every time frame that you look at, it's just to give you confirmation of what's going on with the stock. You know, it gives you a clearer picture. And okay, let's go back to the daily, and let's look at one more stock. After Uber, I like to look at Lyft because they usually mirror each other. So let's go to Lyft. And let's look at the monthly time frame. Okay. And just like Uber, okay, it's been in a downtrend since April of last year. Okay. Let's look at its weekly time frame. Okay, so it's underneath. It's in a downtrend, and it's underneath the 20 daily moving average indicator. All right. And it just did a pullback. We've got a small red candle. If we have a confirming red candle coming up, then that would be a good indication to enter a put trade. All right, so I'd like to remind everyone, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. It helps the channel to grow, and it helps us introduce new videos. It gives us more time to introduce more videos. Again, I feel these are good stocks for people that are just new, incoming, and new to trading, and they're easy to follow. They're not very volatile. They're easy to follow. The trends are obvious, and they're good introductory stocks. All right, so we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.